Welcome to Curry TV. On this episode, I have my friend Jyoti Veeramani. She's going to show us how to make another North Indian chaat. So Jyoti, welcome to Curry TV.
Thank you.
Show us what you're going to do. What are we going to make?
So last time I showed you how to make the chutneys.
Right.
The green chutney,
Right.
the sweet chutney and the garlic chutney.
Right.
So with those chutneys you could add on to making these items, and this is called sev puri.
Sev puri. Okay.
So sev is this very fine type of noodles actually. It's crispy, and that's called sev, which is available in the Indian store to buy, and this is called puris.
Puris.
So these are like crackers. If you would go to the regular store and buy crackers which look like this,
Okay.
or the Pepperidge Farm crackers
Right.
that you get,
Okay.
so you could substitute that with this.
Mm.
And so basically it is this cracker or puri, and you stack all these healthy things like tomatoes,
Okay.
onions, potatoes. I also have a raw mango,
Green mango.
which
Okay.
is available, and I have chopped it really fine.
Mm.
One thing about this is that you have to chop everything a little fine,
Okay.
so that it stacks up onto this
Puri.
small little puri.
Small little discs, that. Okay.
Yeah.
So shall we see how it's made?
Yes. So once you have the puris or your crackers,
We didn't talk about these. What are these guys?
these are the spices
Okay.
that you can chop and sprinkle a bit as you assemble.
Okay.
So this is called chaat masala.
Okay.
So it is tangy, and because chaat means basically to lick,
Oh.
and chaat, that is the literal translation, chaat. So this is sold by street vendors, and it is finger licking good, which is why it is called chaat.
Okay.
And so this is a spice called chaat masala, and chaat is a combination of spicy, tangy, sweet flavors that explode inside your mouth.
Okay, so it's
And
one
delicious.
full disc full of flavors all rushing in around you, right?
And it's
Okay.
just exploding.
Okay.
So
And
so
you have paprika?
this
Or-
is cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper.
This is roasted cumin, like what I said earlier.
Uh-huh.
And this is called black salt.
Black salt.
Black salt, which has a different flavor, which gives that tanginess. Plus, I don't know how to explain. Have you ever had black salt?
I haven't.
It is it is a very, very different flavor.
Okay.
That enhances this to make it finger licking good.
Oh.
We should try it sometime.
Okay. We'll try.
So let's start with what I do is these are boiled potatoes.
Right.
So I just take and I just use my hands. So you just take some and just put it on top of each little.
Make your mountain. Okay.
Yeah. If you want to, you can also join me.
Sure.
And
I would
so
love to help.
I just take a little bit. You can mush it a bit with your hands,
Okay.
and just kind of put a bit on top of each disc.
Okay.
So we can.
That good?
Yep.
Okay.
And then so you just kind of go on each and
Each of them,
so
okay.
yeah, because in the end when you finish it, it looks very pretty
Ooh.
when you decorate it with the save.
Okay.
So next you can put the onions
Okay.
and stack it up and just kind of keep going,
Not too much,
just for you to get a flavor of each and every
Okay.
item.
Got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
A little bit of the tomato.
Okay.
So again, try to just stack it up.
Okay. And you finely chopped all these. Thank you so much.
Once
for
you
doing
once you keep all these things ready, then it just goes. And then what you can do is keep this before your guests arrive.
that. Okay.
And then once you've done this and kept this is like the prep work.
Oh.
And then now I would take these spices and just kind of sprinkle a bit
Okay.
around each of them.
Showering
Just
that a little bit
yeah,
of love.
just a little
All
bit.
of it.
Yep.
Mhm.
This is the black salt, and I just kind of go around it.
Okay.
So just sprinkle it.
Okay.
Here's the roasted cumin again. Just Each
Wow.
one gets a little bit of,
The aroma from all the spices is really nice.
and then yeah, that's the kind that gives you that kick.
Right.
And then I also take a little bit of lemon juice and just kind of keep
Dab
it
it a
ready.
bit, okay.
Just a bit.
Mm-hmm.
Just kind of sprinkle it around.
Okay.
And now it's time to decorate it with the chutneys.
Okay.
Garlic is again an option if you want, and if you do put garlic, be careful, just put a little tiny, or it gets too garlicky.
Okay.
Because this is really potent where the garlic flavor is concerned. And now with these chutneys, you could kind of be a bit generous. So you'll just top it this
Wow.
way. See that?
And this is also a Bombay street food
Yes,
thing?
this is all,
Wow.
it comes under the category of chaat.
Mm-hmm.
And
How often do you make these?
I make this all the time. My family loves it. So, and it is a something, and once if you have the chutneys and these things, then it's like preparing the whole meal also is
Wow.
really. And now you take the sweet chutney
Uh-huh.
and pour it generously on top of each cracker.
Wow. Hopefully that
Maybe
cracker
you
will
want
hold
to,
on.
you could try putting
On this?
it on that.
Sure.
And let's see whether it holds it or does it.
Okay.
This is for someone who is not able to get from
okay.
the Indian store.
Mm-hmm.
And now I also take cilantro and decorate it on each.
Okay.
It really looks pretty.
Mm-hmm.
The cilantro. Yep. And finally, you take the save
Where are we going to put the mangoes?
and you just. I thought I put the mangoes. I didn't.
Mm-mm. You haven't done the mangoes yet.
All right.
I was actually looking for the mangoes.
Okay,
That's
then
nice
here's
and
the
green
mango.
one. Thank
This
you.
is very tangy.
Mm-hmm.
So you could put these mangoes too, right there.
Okay.
On top.
And next goes the lemon juice or the spices?
There is nothing
There's
like
no right way?
there's-
Okay.
Once you put the potato, the onions and the tomatoes,
Mhm.
then you can put your spices.
Okay.
Here's the mango on top. And now this is what you sprinkle to decorate on top, and it looks very pretty. See that?
Look at that. It's like a chicken's nest all sprinkled out, right?
You can let your imagination run.
Okay,
So-
now do we need to put lemon
Yeah.
juice and then the other chutneys?
Yeah, you can put some lemon juice. Did you put these spices?
Yes, I did. I did all those spices.
So the garlic, I'm going to be very
Yeah.
careful, just a little, and then put your. The garlic is again optional.
Right.
If you don't want it, you need not put it.
Mhm.
There's the green chutney,
Mhm.
and then a nice dab of the sweet chutney. And then you take your cilantro
Mhm.
and just put it on top, and then take your save
Mhm.
and just
Oh
put
my
it on.
goodness.
And now
Judy,
the
I
way to
love-
eat this is you just take hold of one cracker
Okay.
and you just pop it into your mouth.
Okay. Shall we try?
Yeah,
Give it a try?
let's
Okay. You do the honors?
Yep. So you know how to eat it, right?
Yes. And then
Just take the whole thing.
Cheers.
Open your mouth. Cheers.
Mhm. Finger licking good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's super. Everything is just precise. Oh, that's good. The problem is,
You can't stop at home.
yeah, that's the exact problem.
So why should we stop? Let's go for
Let's
it.
dig in for the next one, right? And cheers.
Cheers.
Hmm? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Do you guys want to come? So it's really easy to make this, as you can see. You have potatoes, tomatoes, onions, cilantro,
Mm-hmm.
raw mango. If you don't have, that's okay.
Okay.
But if you really want a good flavor, go the extra way and get a green mango and cut it really fine. Stack it up, have your chutneys,
Amazing
and
taste.
create your own
Definitely, you gotta give it a try, and it's amazing taste. I mean, just the flavors all just comes in a whoosh in your mouth and just soak up all that. Oh my gosh, it's really mouth-watering, and it's absolutely true. You will lick your fingers after this. Thank you, Jyoti, so much for showing another super party starter. We can, yeah, right?
Yes, definitely. And as I said, you could prepare it
Mhm.
by stacking. You can't keep it for more than 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
So if your guests are arriving, say you invited for a 7 o'clock party, this is a great appetizer.
This is also a great starter for
Starter.
ladies' night out. Right? Right?
So just stack it up and keep, and as soon as the guests start coming, keep your chutneys out there, and we just put the chutneys in and just keep popping it in.
Make sure you have plenty to go around because you
Yeah.
cannot stop on one.
Right.
All right,
So the people who come late for the party,
snoozers.
you snooze, you lose.
Exactly. So thank you, Jyoti, for sharing this awesome recipe, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to make it, you know how to make it, right? You got the recipe. Go visit your local Asian store and check it out, and maybe you can also surprise your guest with a wow dish, right? Such
Yes.
as this. So thank you so much for tuning into Curry TV. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.